Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve was poker app not working. So let's get started. So here I am having the was poker app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So the first step is to clear the data. So to do that, we will just press and hold that, and then we have to click on the I button. Then we have to scroll down and go to storage. Then you have to click on this clear data. Then click on delete. After that, it should work properly. So if it's not work for you, then you have to check for update. You have to go to the Google, write the app's name. Okay, so at here we can see. So here we have to click on these button. So at here, like if it not shows the update, that means you have been updated. Then you can open it. So after it has been installed, you can reinstall it. You can directly click on here and click on the uninstall button, and it will, like, from there you have to go to the Google and install it again. So if it's work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.